Guys, in this video we are going to see some arithmetic operations we can do in C language. Now let's look at the arithmetic operations we have in C language first. So we have addition is plus, and subtraction is minus, and multiplication is star, division is slash, and to find the remainder we put percentage, and to increment we have plus plus, and decrement we have minus minus. Now let's look at these things one by one. Let's see how we can apply. Now first of all, let's begin with the addition, right? So to addition, let's set some integers like integer num1 comma num2 comma result, right? Result, and then semicolon. And in the next one we have num1. Let's put some numbers for num1 and num2. So let's say num1 is equal to 20, and let's say num2 is equal to 10, or whatever the number you like, right? So num2 is equal to 20, and we are going to add them together. So we put result equal to num1 plus num2 and semicolon, and then printf, right? Printf quart mark, and since we are putting integer we have to put percentage d, right? If it's integer, percentage d. If it's float, we put percentage f and something like that. Now percentage d, and after that we put result, right? Now let's see what we get. Oh, here I forgot to put the semicolon right here. Okay, now it will work. So now we get 30, right? So this is addition, and if you put subtraction, you will get subtraction. 20 minus 10, 10, right? And to multiply we put star sign, so it will actually, I should put right here, star sign. Now it will multiply, right? And division we put slash, so it will divide. Now let's look at a different situation. For example, if we have 10, and if you divide this one by 3, you should get 3.33, right? But since we are dealing with integer right here, we don't get that decimal. So if you look at this one, we only get 3, because integer only have whole numbers, right? So in order to find the remainder, what we do is we put the percentage, and we know the remainder is going to be 1. Now let's check whether we get it. To find the remainder, we put the percentage. So if you put the percentage, you will get the remainder. So here we are going to get 1 as our remainder. Now let's try a different number. For example, if you want to find remainder of, you are dividing 24 by 5, and you should get the remainder of 4. Let's see whether it will work, right? It's working. Now, so these are some basic arithmetics. Now let's see what is increment and decrement mean, right? So increment, so let's start with increment. For example, if you want to add a number to this one, we have 24, and if you want to make this one to 25, what we do is we put another term like num1 plus plus, not plus plus. So if you put plus plus, and here we have, so let's get rid of this one, we don't need this one, right? So here we have percentage d, and here we are going to put num1, and if you see this one, we're going to get one more number like 25, right? And let's say you want to increase this one by, let's say 6, so you put plus equal 6, so it means you're adding 6 numbers, so this is going to give us 30. And you can do any number, right? So whatever the number you put, it's going to add them. Now decrement also same thing, like if you put minus minus, it will decrease by 1. And if you want to decrease any other numbers, minus, so minus equal, let's say you want to decrease 6, so if you put minus equals 6, it will decrease 6 numbers, so you will get 18, right? And these are some basic arithmetic functions you can do with C language. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.